Being confused on how to make money online is just because you missed the most important part. You have to stick to only one niche, which means you cannot jump from law of attraction to weight loss niche to wealth niche. You cannot jump here and there because people expect one message, one niche, and preferably one person. And you need a blueprint. Of course, you can go with trial and error, but it will take ages to find out what's working and what's not. You need a process, step by step, click by click. Funnels, you need email swipes. You need to know how to do the things in a correct way and what to avoid. And the reward, the laptop lifestyle, is pretty high. Getting to a point where you can work whenever you want, you can work wherever you want. And it's not about being a freelancer and waiting the customers pays you. With digital marketing, you can sell products that you don't even have to own on a continuous basis using automation. Even when you're not there, even without knowing your customer, shipping anything, even without having previous experience. You just have to learn the process on driving traffic, building your email list, and sell products. And if you want to know this process for free, there's a free ebook in my bio that you can download and learn how to do step by step.